Hey everybody, welcome back. My next build is going to be the Kyosho hanging on racer. If you haven't seen the unboxing video, I'll leave a link below. I want to start this build series by talking about all the electronics that you're going to need to finish this kit. Because of the compact size of this motorcycle, a lot of these components are not what you're used to seeing in a 110 scale RC car. Almost everything here is going to be smaller, from the included motor to the ESC, the micro servo, and even the battery is smaller. The only thing that's the same scale as a regular 110 car is the receiver. Alright, let me show you what we have. First, I'm going to start off with the receiver. I have here the Flysky GT3B transmitter, and the receiver is an FSGR3E. I bought it on Amazon and it came in this box. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Next, we have the ESC, and this ESC is actually made specifically for the Kyosho hanging on racer. The item number is Kyosho GPW17 speed controller for hanging on racer. And you can see that's the price I paid at my local hobby shop. Next, we have the Hitec servo right here, and the servo model number is HS225MG, and the MG stands for Metal Gear. Here are some of the specs, the speed and the torque, you can see right there. And the dimension right here, 32, 17, 31 millimeters. And that's almost exactly what we need per the instructions here. The only thing is this servo is 1 millimeter thicker than what is specified. I'm going to come back and talk about the connectors for the ESC in a little bit. And finally, we have the Orion Supercharge 1600 battery. And again, this one is specifically called out for this motorcycle. If you're looking for this battery, the item number is ORI13044. So again, I made sure the dimensions of these parts right here works with what's specified in the manual. Okay, let me go ahead and talk about the ESC real quick. Just want to point out on a standard ESC, on this side you would have bullet connectors or just raw wire to connect to the motor. And on this side would have a connector that works with your battery. The motor comes with this connector. It's called the micro RS4. And this would be the female side of the connector. And on the ESC, it has a male micro RS4 connector. And on the other side, the ESC also has the female micro RS4 connector. And that works with this battery. Of course, it has the standard 3-pin to connect to the receiver on channel 2. So if you're looking for an alternate ESC, make sure it has both of these plugs. And of course, the servo goes on channel 1. So now we have a completed system. Motor, ESC, receiver, battery, and the servo. Now that I have all the electronics in place, I'm going to start building this kit tomorrow. I appreciate you watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.